Hello everyone, Namaskar. It's me Anusa Rana, basic level teacher of Noble Environment Academy. Type Noble Environment Academy and like, share, subscribe and click the bell icon of our YouTube channel. Today we are going to study about the computer. It is the online class for class 2 up to 6. Now we are going to our topic. Our topic is characteristics of computer. Computer is very intelligent machine. It is an electronic device. Computer needs electricity to work. It has some unique features which are not available in other electronic devices. The major features of computer are discussed below. First one is high speed. Computer have very high speed. It needs electricity to work, so that it has very high speed. They can execute millions of instructions and even more per second. They can perform the task in a fraction of seconds. Computer can work very fast. They can perform the task in milliseconds. Today we are going to study about the parts of computer. It is for class 1 and 2. There are three sections of computer. They are: first is CPU section, second is input section, and third is output section. In the CPU section, the front part of CPU are look like that. In top there is DVD drive, and then floppy drive, and then there is reset button, and then there is power button. At last there is USB socket. This is a picture of central processing unit of computer. CPU. CPU is the main part of computer. CPU is also a brain of the computer. It has three sections: memory unit, ALU arithmetic logical unit, and control unit. Externally it has DVD drive, floppy drive, reset button, power button, and USB socket. In back side of CPU, it has some connection ports there. First is power supply, second is power switch, third is keyboard port, fourth is mouse port, fifth is USB port, sixth is network port, seventh is printer port, eighth is monitor port. This is also called caching of computer. The first one is keyboard. Keyboard is the important input device that helps to give text and numeric data to the computer system. It is the most important input device. It gives the text and numeric data to the computer system. There are different keys in the keyboard. There are alphabet keys, numeric keys, spacebar keys, and arrows keys, and some special keys. Second one is mouse. Mouse is a pointing input device. It points the option and select them if required. It has three buttons: left buttons, right buttons, and scroll button. Mouse is also an important parts of computer. And third one is scanner. Scanner is also an input device. It is an optical input device. It helps to give picture input to the user. Third one is web and digital camera. It is also an input device. These are audio and video capturing input device. These are used for audio, visual, and picture inputs to the user. It is also an input device. And third is output section. It gives output to the user to contents, monitor, printer, speaker, etc. It gives output to the user. In the output section, first one is monitor. Monitor is a popular visual output device. It is also an important device. It displays the result on the screen. These are used to give soft output to the user. There are three types of monitor. They are CRT, cathode ray tube monitor, LCD, liquid crystal display, and LED, light emission diode. They are types of monitor. And second is printer. Printer is also an output device. It gives the output by printing the documents. Printer is a popular output device that gives the result by printing the document. It is a hard output device. The types of printer are laser printer, dot matrix printer, and inkjet printers, etc. And third is speaker. Speaker is also an output device. It gives output to the user by gives sound output. Speaker is audio output device that gives the sound output. We can use it to listen music, listen videos, songs. There are different types of speaker connected to the computer system. It is also an output device. Our class is finished. Now I give homework. Homework for class 1 and 2 is question number 1. Draw a figure of the processing unit of the computer and label it. Second is list the three components of front part and back side of the CPU. Third is write the uses of keyboard, monitor, scanner, and printer.